Systems can be installed badly and a lot of things can go wrong. It is an electrical product, so if you're not experienced in the electrical trade or in the solar trade, then there is a lot of connections and a lot of isolation points that can go wrong. So we sort of really pride ourselves on doing a quality work, and the installation needs to be to standard. I've been installing solar for 7 or 8 years, day in, day out, basically. So we work on these systems every day. We fault find these systems, multiple times a week. So we really know the backbone and where faults can start, as well as we know where to fix faults and to prevent faults. Work towards not having any problems long term. So if you're investing solar on your house, you should be considering using a local installer. One reason is if there is any issues, minor issues, they're within an hour away. They're going to be happy to come out to do a small job, a quick Wi-Fi changeover, or any of these little small jobs that a local installer is happy to come out and just to do the job, just to keep your customer happy. We pride ourselves on customer reviews. So if the customer's happy, we get more work. If the customer's not happy, we're going to lose work. So we really want to keep the customer happy. We'll work hard to do that.